Movoca Hydrogen Water Bottle Review. Boost hydration with advanced hydrogen technology. So, Movoca's hydrogen water bottle uses SPE and PEM electrolysis technology to infuse regular drinking water with hydrogen in just 3 minutes. So, has a portable glass bottle and charges via USB-C. So the pros of it is it has fast hydrogen generation. It produces up to 2000 of hydrogen in just 3 minutes. It also has a high hydrogen output. It has a quality constructions which you can see in the design. It has a one button simplicity, so it's easy to operate. Just fill up and press and wait for it, then auto clean. It also has some positive user feedbacks. However, there are some cons to consider. There are some leakage issues reported. It also has mixed build durability, and there are limited health evidence. It also has a small capacity compared to other water bottles. So, although it is a stylish and fun hydration tool that reliably infuses water with hydrogen quickly and easily, if you like high-tech gadgets and want a potential wellness boost, then it's a good option. But if your priority is proven health benefits, reliable engineering, then it may fall short.